Hello, and thank you for your interest in the psychological science major. This video was created as an informal source of information for you to gain additional insight on what to expect from the psychological science major. Please feel free to reach out to an academic advisor with the Department of Psychology if you have any additional questions pertaining to the overall degree requirements or the specifics of your situation if you were to declare the psychological science major. The psychological science major is rooted in psychology. Psychology is a scientific study of behavior and mental processes, such as thoughts, emotions, perception, and intelligence. This is a major for anyone curious about human behavior and how the brain works. There is so much to learn about the inner workings of the mind, from why our personalities are the way they are, how we process memory and language, and even learning about mental illness and how our brain impacts aspects of our physical health. The psychological science major was designed for students who are considering a PhD in psychology. This major is also great if you are considering other graduate programs that require research experience and lab sciences, such as nursing or medical school. Foundational elements of psychology are built into this major, such as abnormal, personality, and cognitive neuroscience. Students will have the opportunity to work in labs with our faculty who are doing exciting research in the field. This major requires 2 semesters of approved chemistry or physics courses and 2 semesters of biology or physiology courses. The lecture and their associated lab components are required. You will initially start in the pre-major, which includes a total of 6 courses that establish your foundation in psychology. Satisfactory completion of the pre-major courses and a minimum cumulative GPA of 2.0 will grant you formal admission to the psychological science major. You will have psychology courses with smaller class sizes in your junior and senior year. These courses include topics such as sleep and sleep disorders, psychology of imagination, psychology of attitudes, and sensation and perception, just to name a few. The psychological science major does not require a minor, but some students choose to add one depending on their future career goals. Psychological science majors will also complete more than 400 hours of directed research experience. This is going to be a very impressive component to add to your resume. Thank you for your interest in our major. Please visit the Advising Resource Center at advising.arizona.edu for additional information.